To download and install Mortal Kombat 11 on a laptop or PC, start by installing the necessary application to purchase and play the game, which is Steam. Open a browser and search for Steam Download. Then click on the link to access the Steam website. From there, click on the Install Steam button at the top right corner of the page to begin the download. Once the download is complete, open the installation file and follow the prompts to install Steam on your PC. After installing Steam, create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once your account is set up, log into Steam and you will be redirected to the store page. Search for Mortal Kombat 11 and press enter to find the game. If the game is on sale, you can take advantage of the discounted price. Steam frequently offers sales, so it's a good idea to check the price before making a purchase. To buy the game, click on the Add to Cart button. Then select Purchase for myself. Choose your payment method, such as PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard, and complete the transaction. Once you've purchased the game, it will be added to your Steam library. To access your library, click on the Library tab at the top left corner of the Steam window. Then find Mortal Kombat 11 in your list of games. To download the game, click on the Install button next to the game title, and the download will begin. You can monitor the download progress in the Downloads section of the Steam window. Once the download is complete, you can start playing the game by clicking on the Play button. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to download and install Mortal Kombat 11 on your laptop or PC using Steam.